Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Airtable for inventory. Managing inventory can often feel like a daunting task, especially if you're juggling numerous products or handling frequent updates. But don't worry, using Airtable can simplify this process significantly. Whether you're just starting out or seeking to enhance your current setup, we've got you covered with this comprehensive guide. Let's dive in and explore how to make the most of Airtable for your inventory management. First things first, after logging into your Airtable account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where you might notice some workspaces you've previously interacted with. However, today we're setting our sights on creating a fresh workspace dedicated to inventory management. This approach will help you maintain a clear, organized system. Let's begin by clicking the Create button to establish a new base table. Think of this base as the central hub for all your inventory-related data. It's essential to name it something descriptive, like Inventory Management System, so you can easily locate it later on. Initially, Airtable assigns a generic name like Untitled Base to your new creation. To change this, click on the name and enter something more specific that mirrors the kind of inventory you're managing. This could be warehouse inventory or product stock list. A clear naming convention not only aids in organization, but is also crucial if you plan to share this base with your team. Now, let's talk about the tables within your newly created base. By default, your first table will be named Table 1. To enhance its relevance, it's wise to rename it based on its specific content, such as product list or stock levels. This small change ensures that navigating through your data becomes intuitive for everyone involved, making it easy to locate the information they need swiftly. A pivotal step in setting up your Airtable for inventory is adding fields to your table. Fields are essentially columns that represent different types of data you need to track for each item in your inventory. Carefully consider the essential information for your operations. Common fields might include item name, quantity, supplier, and product category. Each of these fields can be customized to suit your data type. For instance, you could use text for product names, numbers for quantities, drop-down lists for suppliers, and dates for restocking schedules. This level of customization provides a comprehensive view of your inventory data and makes it adaptable to the specific needs of your business. The flexibility that Airtable offers allows you to tailor your inventory management system precisely to how you operate, ensuring you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. You now have a better understanding of how to use Airtable for inventory. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.